What?
Isis, do you like that pork chop?
She is. It's unbelievable.
She's had like the ham bone before.
Let's try this little bowl.
Her eyes were like, oh, give it.
Oh, she is. She's part piranha.
Who?
Lipsy.
I think Isis is too. I mean, look at her.
She will go
Why?
through.
Isn't it beautiful out here despite
Nice.
the
Yeah.
Isis,
opposite
jeez.
side?
She's eating the bone.
She just broke it?
She's eating it.
Yeah, well, that's what she's supposed to do. Huh?
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, she's not just chewing on it. She's got to get it down to her belly. Christopher!
Christopher!
Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! You did good with that chicken.
Whoa, it's gonna rain.
Bones.
The pork chops.
You really ate pork chops, honey. He doesn't care now. Apparently, he literally likes
Wait,
it.
how'd you dump out the bubbles?
Christopher, don't get into that right now.
You're gonna get electrocuted. No, I'm just kidding.
All right, well, I might as well take off. Oh, yeah. You must have plenty of pails at home. Now, does he bring pails down to pools or food pails? There's pails I don't need. Do you want some pails?
Whoa!
America starts already.
What?
4th of July. Fireworks.
Fireworks! It's like the
Fireworks,
24th.
right.